In 1953, when I was 14 years of age, I constructed a bedside cabinet during woodwork lessons at school. It has a solid oak framework, solid oak plinth, with oak faced plywood panels in the doors and the sides. Alas, the oak faced plywood that I used for the top did not last the test of time. And this was particularly bad because the top piece of plywood started to lift. So in 2021, 66 years later, I constructed a new top of 3/4 inch thick plywood. This is the new top. The cabinet back in position with the corners of the edging strips carefully rounded so there are no sharp edges.